Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, you're welcome to the channel, and I am your favorite hair growth accountability partner. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be answering some I'm going to be responding to some of the questions that you guys have dropped in the comment section. So I have like about 15 questions here, but I'm going to be answering just 6 of it in order for this video not to be too long. Yeah, and then the consistent upload, you guys are going to be seeing the response to the other question that I saw in the comment section. So yeah, if this is what you'd love to watch, consider watching this video to the end, and don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Share to anyone that be interested in content like this. And yeah, let us dive into this question that you people have been asking. Let me answer you guys, because the answer in the comment section does not really give the vibe to the way I want to respond to it. So that is the reason for this video. So let me respond to you guys. So, first off, before I read the first question, let me say thank you to everyone that asked this amazing question. Thank you so much for always supporting this baby girl. I am really grateful, and God bless you guys. Okay, so the first question on the list is, how do I grow out my edges, please? Okay, now this person, I remember I tag a particular video link to this for the person to go and watch that video. So but just a summary of how you can actually grow out your edges. If you're the type that you've been struggling with thinning of hair, it's always very frustrating when you discover that your hairline is thinning. It's just a whole lot. So but all you need to take note of is that you have to be really gentle with your hair, especially your hairline. Okay, and you also want to make sure that you are not neglecting your hairline. If you are going to be applying your oil or any product that you use on your hair, don't neglect your hairline, because most of us, we just rub and then that's it. Not like some people don't focus on their hairline. So when you are focusing on your hairline and you are taking your time to massage it helps the hair follicle to package nutrients to that side and help to stimulate hair growth. So ensure that you are also taking note of your edges. You are massage when you apply your oil, you massage it very well, and also make sure that you are utilizing beneficial oils. You can like ayurvedic oil, clove oil, rosemary oil, castor oil, name them. Make sure you are incorporating that as well into your regimen, and trust me, you will definitely see amazing results with consistency. Okay, another thing you want to take note is that you need to avoid tight hairstyle. Let there be low tension on your hairline. There's some hairstyles that package
ẹ ṣe
too much
sùúrù ẹ
tension
pẹ̀lẹ́.
on the hairline. Make sure you avoid them. Okay, at least avoid them for a while. If you're even going to do it, make sure you're giving yourself space. Take a break. Hairstyles like packing gel, they really carry too much tension on the hairline. So make sure you are avoiding all of those things, and trust me, you will see the difference. Okay. Also make sure that you are very gentle with your hair when you are washing it, when you are drying it, when you are styling it. Make sure you are gentle with your hair, especially your hairlines. And finally, be patient. Okay, you're going to see the results, but you have to be patient. Hair growth is a journey, it's not a magic. It takes time, so you need to be patient for you to see the result. And trust me, you're going to see the result with consistency. I hope this helps. So the next question that I have here is can you use okra gel as a detangler? Okay, now this is an amazing question, because I've been seeing videos on how you can actually use okra gel to detangle your hair. Okay, so with what I see that people do it and it works, but you know me, I must give it a try before I can give a detailed and genuine review on it. So you have to stay tuned until when I try that. Okay, just like the way I tried the flaxseed gel, so I'm also eager to try out this okra gel to see how it's going to how my hair is going to react to, if it's actually going to detangle my hair, but I actually feel like it will detangle because it's slippery in texture, just like the flaxseed gel. And the flaxseed gel actually did detangle my hair. And I said this usually works well for those that are not relaxed, and yes, it's usually easier to use it to detangle the hair. But anyways, we're still going to give it a try with this my relaxed hair, and I'm going to come back to give you a proper review on using this okra gel to detangle the hair. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because that's the only way you can actually see the review when I do it. Okay, so now the next question: can I use water to moisturize my hair? Baby girl, yes, you can. Water is a universal solvent. Okay, if you go and check most of your hair moisturizer, the first ingredient you see there is water, aqua. So, water, you can use water as your sole moisturizer because it is very, very hydrating. Okay, so you can use it, but make sure that you are sealing it up with a oil or an hair butter, because you don't want to leave just your water on your hair and then it's before you know it, you don't evaporate finish, and then your hair is suddenly dry and it start leading to hair breakage, and then you say, this lady told me that I can use water as a moisturizer and now my hair is breaking. Baby girl, seal it up with oil and hair butter. With oil or hair butter, just make sure you are sealing it up. Okay, so yes, you can use it as your moisturizer, especially for we that we are doing the budget friendly hair growth routine. Okay, now before I move to the next question, if you've gotten to this part of the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and share the video to anyone that be interested in content like this. So yeah, let us continue to the next question. The next question here I have is how long do you take to relax your hair? How long? I feel like, okay, this question is saying how long do I stretch my relaxer? So I stretch for now. I'm currently going on a 6 month hair growth challenge. Yes, so right now my stretch for this period is going to be 8 month stretch, but on a norms my relaxer stretch is usually between 3 to 4 months. Okay, but I've been trying out new experiments on my hair to see how long, like what's the longest period I can actually take to stretch my hair, and if I'll be able to handle it. That's the reason why I've been stretching my hair longer than 3 or 4 months. So at the moment now, if you are going to see me stretching my relaxer, is 8 months. Okay, last year I stretched for 8 months, then the second relaxer I had was 4 months, after 4 months. So this is just me trying out to see how long, like the longest period I can actually go to stretch my hair, and see if I'll be able to handle it. So for now I don't have a specific um relaxer stretch. So that's just it. Okay, so yeah, I think I did specify that if at all I'm going to be stretching my relaxer, now I don't want to be relaxing my hair more than, like, the highest I want to relax my hair in a year is just 2 times. So my new relaxer stretch is going to be 6 months stretch. Okay, so that it will be that I'm relaxing my hair just 2 times in a year. So even if I'm going to stretch for longer, 8 months, but I'll still relax it 2 times in a year. So the first one might be 8 months stretch, then the second one 4 months stretch. So that's just how baby girl is doing for now. Okay, the next question is what do you do to avoid matted hair after wash day? Do you comb while water is running? So now, after your wash day, you want to make sure that before you wash the hair, you pre-poo it, because pre-poo has really worked for me a lot. So either you do hot oil pre-poo or flaxseed gel pre-poo, and make sure you detangle the hair properly before you go and wash it. The only reason why you experience matted hair is because the hair was not properly detangled. So, and then sometimes even when you properly detangle it, you just experience some matted hair, which is why it is recommended that you do a pre-poo before you wash the hair. So pre-poo, detangle very very well, you finger detangle, you comb with white tooth comb before you go and wash the hair. And so for those that are not relaxed, you can actually comb your hair while it is wet, while you're washing it. Why for you that you're relaxed, when you can actually easily comb your hair when it's wet. It's when you are freshly relaxed. But if you're not freshly relaxed, you already have new growth and your relaxed hair texture. Don't try to comb your hair while it is wet, while the water is running. Okay, so this is how you can avoid matted hair after washing your hair. You prepple, you detangle with white tooth comb, and trust me, you're going to see that easy and sliding combing after you wash your hair, and you won't experience any matted or tangled hair strands. Okay, finally, the question here is how to manage smoothing two sections at the same time in a relaxer touch up. How do you manage smoothing two sections at the same time in a relaxer um touch up? I think this person is trying to say, if you know when you are relaxing your hair, you part your hair into four section. So for me now, I part mine into four section first, and then I apply the relaxer. I make sure that I try to be fast. Okay, sometimes we know they fast, we are working with time, especially when it's relaxed. We are working with time, the instruction. So you time yourself, and then you relax the thicker part, which is you start from the back, then the front. And if you are the type that is not fast, get help from somebody that will help you do the back while you do the front. It's not hard. So when you get help or you try to be fast, you do apply the listing in the first section. You smoothen the first section individually before you join it together, because once you smoothen the first section individually, the relaxer will start working and start softening the new growth, and then you'll be able to join the two sections together. The first section is now become two, and then even as if you want to make it one, you can still make it one with when you continue to smoothen the hair, because the relaxer is already doing its work by loosening the thick coils of the new growth. So that is how you can actually smoothing your hair when you are doing relaxer touch up at once. So I don't know. I hope this answers the question right. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's um video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're yet to. Share the video to anyone that'll be interested in content like this. And yeah, leave a beautiful comment in the section below. Let me also know how long do you stretch your own relaxer, okay? And also, if you've tried the okra gel for detangling, let us know in the comment section. We are all learning, okay? So this is going to be all for this video. The other questions, you're going to be seeing it with my consistent upload, like I said. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.